Hey, you middle-class tigers and tigresses, listen up. A little 9-year-old kid slipped an iPhone from his hand. And oh, no! A 1.5 lakh phone shattered into pieces. Husband Farhan went crazy, shouted, "What have you done?" 1.5 lakh wasted. You won't get pocket money for a month now. The kids started crying, tension in the house at full speed. But wife number 4, Fari, smiled and said, "Farhan, don't get angry. This isn't a mistake. It's a big opportunity." 15 days later, a brand new, even better iPhone arrived at home. Farhan's jaw dropped. Where? Where did this phone come from? Fari smiled and pushed the child forward. Here. It's our little Chef Ahmed's magic. Started a YouTube channel, posted cooking videos, earned 2 lakh rupees in 15 days. Farhan was shocked, tears in his eyes. "Son? Sorry, I was wrong." Fari hugged her husband and said, "They aren't mistakes. They're opportunities. We just don't know how to recognize them." Tomorrow, episode 4. Fari's story. How did she turn a child's mistake into a 2 lakh jackpot? A full emotional plus comedy roller coaster. 7 days, 7 wives. Episode 4. Tomorrow evening at 8 o'clock sharp. Full episode. You're watching the teaser on the channel right now. SMASH, that LIKE button. Tell us in the comments, would you make money from your child's mistake or scold them? And hit the bell or you'll miss it. Come on, quickly. Subscribe and share. See you tomorrow with Little Chef